Hi, I'm John from Drillbrush, the biggest name in drill-powered cleaning brushes. Drillbrush is a nylon scrubbing brush attachment that fits in any cordless drill. Our brushes come in a variety of color-coded stiffnesses to tackle a wide array of cleaning tasks, and our products have helped homeowners and cleaning professionals across the globe. You can find Drillbrush products on our website, drillbrush.com. We also have industrial-grade brushes available at industrial.drillbrush.com. For a list of countries we ship to, visit drillbrush.com/international. For Amazon users, Drillbrush is available on Amazon Prime in the following countries. You can visit the official Drillbrush store at amazon.com/drillbrush. Our brushes are also available on eBay, Etsy, Newegg, Sears, and Walmart.com, as well as in select Ace Hardware and True Value stores. For a complete list of retail locations, visit drillbrush.com/where-to-buy. So don't delay, buy Drillbrush today, and follow us for more Drillbrush content.